Hey guys, how to turn off passcode on iPhone if it's grayed out. So first of all, what you need to do, go ahead to the settings, right? You may need to remove the profile or adjust the restriction settings, okay? And then what you're gonna do, we're gonna just go ahead and try to pin down the VPN and device management, right here, sorry, in the general, okay? Once you scroll it down, go ahead right here, okay? And once you go to VPN device management or settings, profile and device management, depending on your iOS version, and select the profile you want to remove, and then tab delete profile and enter your passcode to confirm, okay? So once I do that, now I deleted this profile, okay? After removing the profile, the turn passcode off option should no longer be grayed out. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.